Atoms and molecules. Escape velocity. What are atoms? Atoms shape the world which we know. There are three components in the atom. First is the proton. It has a positive charge, and because of the charge, they are attracted to the second component, electrons, making them revolve around them. They are about 2000 times lighter than protons. Neutrons and protons combined make the nucleus of the atom. There may be different number of electrons revolving around the nucleus which are different in the periodic table. In an atom, there are different shells. Like in the first shell, there can be a maximum of 2 electrons. So, nucleus above the periodic table, the elements like hydrogen, helium, lithium, and oxygen, a very well known element, those are they have different number of electrons orbiting around the nucleus. Consists of invisible particles called atoms, and they are the building blocks of everything. This theory was proposed by Democritus. Then there is the solid sphere model 1803, where the atom is invisible and the compounds are a combination of different types of atoms, proposed by John Dalton. Next is the plum pudding model 1897, where the atom is a sphere with negative and positive charges that exist within it, proposed by J.J. Thomson. Then there is the nuclear model from 1911 that consists of electrons orbiting the nucleus in a fixed path. This theory was proposed by Ernest Rutherford. The planetary model of 1913, electrons are placed in a circular and fixed orbit, and this is where the shells come in. Proposed by Niels Bohr is the quantum model, where the positions of electron are described as being a part of a cloud, proposed by Edwin Schrödinger. This theory is now the most used and accepted theory in the world. Now moving on to the atom smasher, which will show the atoms in more depth. An atom smasher. Atom smasher is a particle accelerator. The machine is 27 kilometers long, with two beams that accelerate the atoms at 99.9999999% the speed of light, making them lap the machine 11,000 times per second. The collisions are studied with four detectors: ALICE, ATLAS, CMS, and LHCb. ATLAS. It's a donut-shaped detector engulfed with magnets to watch collisions between protons. It has already found evidences of another component called Higgs boson, CMS. Like Atlas, it is made to answer some fundamental questions about the universe. This machine creates a magnetic force 100,000 times stronger than Earth's. LHCb. This helps scientists understand why the antiparticles and antimatter suddenly disappeared after the Big Bang. They recreate the conditions by sucking out all the air from the tunnel. Thank you.